Dear students, welcome to the science class. Hope you are enjoying and learning lessons from the videos. Today, we will continue the lesson Solar System and the Earth. Before we start today's topics, let us do a quick recap of what you have learned in the previous class. The region beyond the Earth's atmosphere is called space. Stars, planets, moon, comets are called heavenly bodies or celestial bodies. Stars are huge balls of hot, glowing gases. Sun is a star and it is the nearest star to the Earth. There are millions of galaxies in the sky. Our Earth is in the Milky Way galaxy. The groups of stars that make a recognizable pattern are called constellation. Ursa Major, Leo, Scorpius are some of the examples of constellation. The sun, planets, and satellites together make the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Planets are huge heavenly bodies that move around the sun in a definite path called orbit. Heavenly bodies that move around the planets are called satellite. The moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. Now, let us move to today's topics. Today we will be learning some important features of our planet Earth, structure of the Earth, and followed by the activities under the Earth. Let us see some important features of our planet Earth. Our Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is situated between Venus and Mars. Our Earth is the only planet in the solar system where life exists. Our Earth is the only planet where air and water are found. It is also called the blue planet because 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Temperature on the Earth is also suitable for life. It is neither too hot nor too cold. Children, you know that Earth is not very near to the Sun like Mercury, nor it is very far away from the Sun like Neptune. So, temperature is very much appropriate for life to exist on the Earth. So, these are the important features of our planet Earth. Now, let us move to the next topic, that is structure of the Earth. Children, do you know earlier our Earth was a huge ball of dust and hot gases which kept on spinning. As it spun, its outer surface became cold and hard. Some gases escaped while some were trapped inside. As the Earth cooled down, the outer layer became solid. This formed the crust or land on which we live. Parts of the crust are also under the ocean. They form the floor of the ocean. So the cold and the hard outer layer is called the crust. At the center, the Earth is very hot and contain molten metals, minerals and gases. This portion of the Earth is called core. The core is made up of 2 layers. Inner core, which is solid, and the outer core, which is liquid. The portion of the Earth present between the crust and the core is called mantle. It is made up of hot rocks. So, the layers of the earth are crust, mantle, outer core, inner core. Now let us revise it again. What are the layers of the earth? The cold and the hard outer layer is called the earth's crust. At the center, the earth is very hot and contains molten metals, minerals and gases. This portion of the earth is called core. The core is made up of two layers, inner core solid and outer core liquid. The portion of the earth present between the crust and the core is called the mantle. It is made up of hot rocks. So these are the layers of the earth. Children, I hope you have understood what are the layers of the earth. Now, let us see what are the activities that takes place inside the crust, that is the outer layer of the earth. Scientists have found that many natural activities are also going on under the earth's crust. One of them is volcano. Now, let us see what is volcano. Sometimes the rocks and water under the crust become very hot due to the heat of the earth. Rocks may even melt. Sometimes molten rocks. Now, molten is a new word for you all. Meaning of molten is liquid form, means rocks in liquid form, which happen due to the heat of the earth. So, molten rocks find a weak spot in the crust and rush out with a great force. The opening through which molten rocks come out is called volcano. Or you can also say a volcano is an opening in the earth's crust through which lava, volcanic ash, and gases escape. So, what is volcano? Once again, when molten rocks find a weak spot in the crust, these rush out with a great force. The opening through which molten rocks come out is called volcano. Or you can also say a volcano is an opening in the earth's crust through which lava, volcanic ash, and gases escape. So I hope you have understood what is volcano. Now, there are two new terms for you which are associated with volcano. These are magma and lava. Now, what is magma? The hot liquid rock that lies below the Earth's crust is called magma. And the hot liquid rock coming out from beneath the Earth's crust and reaching the surface of the Earth is called lava. This is magma. What is that? It is a hot liquid rock that lies below the Earth's crust. And what is lava? The hot liquid rock coming out beneath the earth crust during the volcanic eruption and reaching the surface of the earth is called lava. I hope you have understood what is magma and what is lava. Children, have you heard about hot spring? Do you know how it is formed? Sometimes hot water, which is present under the crust, also finds a weak spot in the crust and rushes out, forming hot spring. You can find many hot springs in Himachal Pradesh. It is believed that taking bath in the hot spring can cure some skin diseases. So, here we have finished today's topics. Now let us do the recap of what we have learned today. Our Earth is the only planet in the solar system where life exists. The four layers of the Earth are crust, it is the uppermost layer of the Earth, inner and outer core, they are the innermost layers of the Earth, mantle, it is a layer between the crust and core. When molten rocks find a weak spot in the crust, these rush out with a great force. The opening in the Earth's crust through which molten rocks come out is called volcano. Now, what is lava? The hot liquid rock coming out from beneath the Earth's crust and reaching the surface of the Earth is called lava. The hot liquid rock that lies below the Earth's crust is called magma. And what is hot spring? When hot water finds a weak spot in the crust, it rushes out, forming hot spring. Now let us see what are the keywords of today's topics. Crust, core, mantle, volcano, magma, lava. Children, please learn the spellings of these words. I hope you have understood today's topics nicely. Please go through the video. This will help you to do the worksheet. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care and stay safe.